In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Google Drive files to an assignment in Google Classroom. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to classroom.google.com. Here you'll be greeted with a sign-in page and you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. It's important to remember that if you're on a shared device, make sure that you're logging in with the correct account, especially to avoid any mix-ups with other classwork or files. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll see a list of all your classes. Click on the specific class that contains the assignment you want to submit. If you don't immediately see the class, you might have lots of classes and will need to scroll to locate the correct one. After selecting the class, navigate to the top of the page and click on the Classwork tab. This part of Google Classroom is specifically designed for managing all your assignments, quizzes, and materials. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout if it's your first time. Now, amidst all your assignments, quizzes, or questions under the Classwork tab, find the assignment that you need to submit your file for. Once you've picked out the right assignment, click on its title to see more details about it. Here, you'll often find instructions from your teacher, due dates, and any additional resources or materials that might be provided. This section provides context that can be crucial for ensuring you're turning in the right work. With the assignment details page in view, look for the Add or Create button, typically situated on the right side of the interface. Clicking this will bring up several options, and in our case, select Google Drive from the drop-down list. This is where Google Classroom excels in keeping everything nicely integrated and straightforward. A window will open that displays all your files stored in Google Drive. Take a moment to locate the file you intend to submit. This could be a document, spreadsheet, slide presentation, or any other type of file conducive to your assignment's requirements. Once you've located it, click on the file and then hit Add to attach it to your assignment submission. After attaching the correct file, you'll notice buttons to either turn in or submit. Click that button, and as a helpful tip, always double check that it's the right file before proceeding. Sometimes Google Classroom will ask you to confirm your submission, ensuring that you truly want to submit this specific file. If such a prompt appears, go ahead and confirm your submission, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently upload and submit any necessary files from your Google Drive directly to Google Classroom assignments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.